Motorola is touting the Moto X4 as a way to get octa-core performance without sacrificing style, and that's only true if you like Motorola's signature phone design and can afford any of the other truly stylish octa-core phones out there like the Galaxy S8, Note 8 or very close in price OnePlus 5. It follows current Motorola design practices: smooth curves at the top and bottom, an oval-shaped fingerprint scanner at the bottom of the screen and an oversized rear camera bump lined in the top middle of the device. The screen is flanked by bezels on all sides that feel a bit 2016. The power and volume button are all on the right side and feel solid. There's no speaker grill on the bottom, as the sole speaker is at the top of the screen, doubling as the earpiece for phone calls. It's a decent looking phone, but like many mid-range devices, we're certainly not calling up our friends to tell them how cool it looks. It feels like the Moto X4 actually does sacrifice some style, but at least it doesn't sacrifice the 3.5mm headphone jack. Moto X4 feels solid and smooth in the hand thanks to its glass back and metal frame, though all the glass does feel like a shatter risk. The metal frame doesn't rise a penny to take the brunt of a fall if the phone lands flat. It is protected from water and dust at least, with an IP68 rating that means a half-hour dunk in the shallow end of a pool is no big deal. The sad truth of the design is that it looks kind of boring in 2017. Forget all screen. This is an all-camera bump phone, with its dual-lens camera being the one element that stands out. Worse, the rear of the phone is cursed by an unfortunate gap between the smudge-friendly glass back and metal frame that makes for an unsightly dust trap. Compared to the aptly named Moto X Style Edition, its predecessor, Moto X4 feels stripped of any identity as Motorola puts its best ideas in the Moto Z line.